a World Under 20 record not ratified by World Athletics because of issues to do with the testing of the athletes, which are required for world records to be ratified. Of course, the Jamaicans went on to the World Under 20 Championships and set a new world record there.
Slightly different team. The team in Kingston, I think the best team assembled by Jamaica of all time.
Not a world record, but it still stands as the championship record here at the Carifta Games. The Bahamas, they are out. Trinidad and Tobago in lane number 5. They have Sania Frederick on their team. The 100 bronze medalist, she's also in the 200 final. Guyana, followed by Jamaica. Alana Reid did not turn up for 200 semi-final action, but she's here in the 4x100. Antigua, Giolina Dowdy, a 100 finalist, is on their team. Final of the under 20 girls 4x100 meters relay.
Alia Baker on screen, on duty for her country in the 4x100 meters. Antigua Barbuda also there, lining up, getting set for girls under 24x100 meters. Let's go. That's what the subs say.
The finals of the under 20 girls.
Ubiquitous kinesio tape, securing those knees. She needs them in the 4x1. Have to start from a low position and power to the blocks. Run between the lines on the curve and deliver the baton. The 4x1 rules changed a couple of years ago. No longer a 10-meter zone for acceleration, then 20 to pass in. 1 30-meter exchange zone.
Antigua and Barbuda in lane 3, Jamaica in 4, French Guiana in 5, Trinidad and Tobago 6, Bahamas in 7, and the British Virgin Islands in lane number 8. Frederick there for Trinidad and Tobago.
Powerful runner. Lots of college coaches here. Saw former world champion David Oliver in the hotel today. Should have been looking at athletes like Frederick, who looked so good in the 100 and has gone through to the 200 final.
Shatalia Dorset there for the Bahamas.
Medalist last year in the under 17 category in the 100 meters. And Hewlett, Asaria Hewlett, lead of duty, sprinter hurdler, the black, green and gold.
Under 20 girls 4x100 meters relay final. Antigua and Barbuda in 3, Jamaica in 4, Guyana 5, Trinidad and Tobago 6, the Bahamas in lane number 7. There's the Antigua and Barbuda team. Giolina Dowdy 100 finalists at the under-20 level, having gotten to the under-17 100 final last year as well. And she leads this Antigua and Barbuda setup.
To do that, you've got to be quality, consistently sprinting in the Caribbean fierce, and to make finals back-to-back, a fine achievement. Name Dowdy, former Jamaican sprinter Peter Gay Dowdy. This one spelled with a Y, not an I. Same commitment to speed for both ladies.
Off they go. 4x100 meters relay for under-20 girls final. The Bahamians have gone out quickly. They change ahead of the Jamaicans. Down the back stretch they go. Jamaica and Bahamas, a storming second leg for the Jamaicans.
Alana Reid.
Tremendous run. The Jamaicans start to separate themselves, and they've gone clear ahead of the rest of the field. Here they come to the final change. Jamaica in control. Alia Baker tearing down the stretch. Easy does it for the Jamaicans. Trinidad and Tobago in second, and the Bahamians in third. Frederick on anchor for Trinidad and Tobago. Dorset for the Bahamas, but the Jamaicans delivers. Well, they deliver a fine performance with Alana Reid storming on the back stretch.
Wow, that was the difference. She was a change maker. The first leg was even, perhaps with the Bahamians in the lead with that wonderful aquamarine vest. You could see that edging into the front on the outside lane, but the 10.92 girl, Alana Reid, made all the difference. There's a celebration for Trinidad and Tobago. Frederick 4.95, her teammates buoyant after their performance that puts them back on the podium. And yes, a big win for Caribbean sprinting in the 4x1.
Big win indeed. 44.01 the official time for Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago 45.35, the Bahamas 45.55.
In the under-20 girls 4x100 meter relay final, Califta Games 2023 in Nassau, Bahamas. Califta 50 was such a fantastic race, and we are seeing Jamaican girls once again proving untouchable, dominating the race, burning the field completely. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please like this video. Guys, we are seeing Jamaican Alana Reid run a brilliant second leg to help Jamaica to an impressive victory in this girls under 24 by 100 meter release final of the 5th Califta Games in Bahamas. The Califta Games 100 meter champion ran an outstanding second leg, and Aria Baker anchored Jamaica to an impressive victory in 44.01 seconds, winning gold comfortably ahead of the Trinidad and Tobago, who secured silver in 45.35 seconds, and the host Bahamas settled for bronze in 45.55 seconds. Both Bahamas and Trinidad and Tobago were separated by just a whiskey in the battle for silver. What a fantastic track and field event under 20 girls 4x100 meters final. And guys, I want to compliment and congratulate all the young ladies participating in this great race. They really deserve compliment, because as I always tell you, it's not that simple. It's not that easy competing in these races. Actually, it's handwork and resilience and tight training. Hope you all agree with me. Jamaican team, in the first leg, Ashalia Ulata. In the second leg, Alana Laid. Third leg, Tiffany James. And the anchor leg, Aria Baker, proved to the world they are not that simple. They are young, upcoming athletes to watch all over throughout the year. And in this year, 2025 track and field event, World Athletic Championships later in Tokyo, Japan, we're gonna wait and see how this lady gonna perform. Remember, we also have the Clinton twins, Tina and Tia. We have Brianna and many other young upcoming athletes. So guys, keep tuned here, keep it locked here, and thank you so much for your precious time. Kindly like the video, comment, tell me how you find the video. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so. Subscribe is free of charge. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. Blessings.